Assalam you Allaikum. In this video I show you how make a tech logo. First of all we do map mapping, in which we write all things about the company which comes in our mind. The second step is making sketching for a logo. If your sketching is not good, so don't worry, it is not necessary, but it's a plus point. Now convert the sketch into digital logo. I use Adobe Illustrator. I use circle, rectangle and shape builder tool for making this logo. I use Rem font in these blue and green color. And lastly we make presentation for a logo. This presentation is very small, so I make the proper video on it. So subscribe my channel, you don't miss that video.